Well, let's test out how the microphone goes in this helmet. This is a new BMW Carbon Evo helmet that I bought. A little bit of wind noise when the peak's up catching the wind. If I duck down like that, it goes away, but anyway. Gonna go for a quick lap and see what happens. So an interesting phenomenon, when I stand up the wind noise goes away. Very cool. I don't know what sort of traffic we're going to encounter along here today, so a little bit wary. Treat this road a little bit like an off-road racetrack. Coming up to Glastonbury Creek. Little concrete causeway here, a little bit slippery when it's got water over it. A bit low today. Come into Glastonbury Creek picnic grounds and campground. A little bit of water out here overnight. Might not go up into there today because it looks a tad wettish. Oh, that was interesting. They'll teach me a lesson. Stay on my side of the road. And here we'll go up to the lookouts. If it's not too slippery. New helmet's a little bit tight on the head and it's got that new helmet smell that hopefully don't get a headache. I've got the tinted visor in it, which does make it maybe a cat's whisker dark, but it's actually good. I don't need sunnies or anything. Not that I need them today anyway, but it's not too dark. Just hoping the microphone is working. Didn't actually test it before I left. Just relax and enjoy the ride. Did a BMW off-road riding 2-day course down at Kenilworth last weekend. Feel so much more confident on the bike today. Just need to not try to push it. Probably ruined it for watching GS Safari videos this morning. All I want to do is ride fast. Oh, that's interesting. Bit of sand, hate sand. Here is Point Pure Lookout. Won't go in today because I just want to go for a ride. Do have it on another video. There's some rock climbers up here today by the look of it. And there is a second lookout up here, Eagle's Nest. Another reason for taking it easy. I've got the visor cracked open just a tad here, trying to tear the smell out a little bit, the new helmet smell. It's like a new car smell. Only it's not quite that pleasant. Yeah, we'll go Reed Road. Pretty sure this comes out of the old forestry station. Haven't been down for a long time. Schmidt Road, no through road. Forestry, registered vehicles only. Just had to change my brake settings, so I was being a bit too confident. Trust what the instructor said. You got the electronics on the bike, you use them. And I'm riding by myself, so be careful. A little bit dampish down here. Smoke visor in here, I guess. It is dark, but it's not overly dark. Probably darker than I'd like. But on a sunny day, it's absolutely brilliant, this visor, I think. Concentrate. Sit down, regroup and get back up. Car rally on Sunday, 6th of July. Some other riders. Quite a few of them. A few girls in the mix. The creek down there to the right hand side. Yeah, just a slippery bit. I've got a feeling I know where I am now. Where we used to bring the dogs to swim. Or the kayaks down here one time too. should be coming out at the old forestry station, just somewhere here I think. Turn right, it used to go up to the forestry tower. The tower doesn't exist anymore, it did when we were kids. Doesn't exist up there anymore. That'll be the road. Everything else is gone. Alright. The water tank for the house. Road turns onto the Western Beluga Road. Pretty much the end of the little test ride today. It's about the position of the GoPro on the new helmet, the microphone of the new helmet, and generally the new helmet.